Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how we can establish a connection with MySQL using command prompt. So let's launch command prompt. Once you launch command prompt, you need to execute a command MySQL -- version. This is because we are checking if the path is set up in the environment variables. If not, you will not find the version of the MySQL. So the current version that we have installed is 8.0.37 and it doesn't return me a version. Now we will look how we can add the bin path to edit environment variables. To do that, we need to go to the folder where we have installed MySQL. So it's in C drive, programming files, MySQL. Here we need to go with MySQL Server 8.0 and the bin. So copy this path. Once you copy this path, you need to search for edit environment variables in the Windows search. So it gives edit the system environment variables. You need to open that, and here in the system properties in the advanced section, you need to click on environment variables. Once you click on environment variables, you need to open the path, double click on it, and it will pop up. Here you need to click on new and simply paste the path that we have copied and click on OK. 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 And now we'll relaunch our command prompt. And now if I execute MySQL -- version, it will return me the current version that we are using. So it's 8.0.37. As command prompt is now able to recognize MySQL, we can go ahead and establish connection with MySQL. So to connect with MySQL, the command is MySQL -u. U in a sense user space root space -p. So -p will ask for password. So MySQL -u root -p, hit on enter and enter the password. This is the same password which we set up while installing MySQL. So once you hit on enter and you can see the path is changed, like C user Narahari, it is changed to MySQL. This means you are now in the MySQL instance and now you can execute any SQL commands here. So let's execute show databases. And yeah, you can see the databases that are created while installing MySQL. Let's create a database and drop it. So let's execute create database, Apple, hit enter. It says one row affected. This means the database is created. Let's execute show databases and here at the top you can see Apple. Now let's execute drop database, Apple, and check if it actually dropped the database. So 0 is affected and show database. Yeah, here we have dropped the Apple database. This is how you can establish a connection with MySQL using command prompt. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.